How does legal guardianship affect inheritance rights? Breaking news in family law? A question many are asking today is how legal guardianship impacts inheritance rights. With recent discussions around guardianship cases, this topic is more relevant than ever. If you are curious about how guardianship affects inheritance, you are not alone. Let's break down the facts to help clarify this important issue. Legal guardianship is when a court appoints someone to care for a minor or an incapacitated person. However, guardianship does not automatically give the guardian any rights to inherit from the ward's estate. Inheritance rights are determined by legal family relationships and estate planning documents like wills or trusts. It is essential to understand that guardianship does not create a parent-child relationship. For a child to inherit from a deceased parent under intestacy laws, there must be a recognized legal parent-child relationship. This includes biological children and legally adopted children. Foster children or stepchildren do not inherit unless they are legally adopted before the parent's death. Guardians do not inherit simply because they hold that role. Their responsibility is to manage the minor's personal and financial affairs, but this does not grant them any ownership of the ward's inheritance. They manage any inheritance the child receives but do not own it personally. If a person passes away without a will, the estate is distributed according to intestacy laws. This means the estate goes to legal heirs, such as spouses, children, parents, or siblings. The appointment of a guardian does not change how the estate is divided. Guardianship does affect how a minor's inheritance is handled. If a minor inherits assets, the guardian must manage those assets under court supervision until the minor reaches legal age. The guardian must seek court approval to use inheritance funds for the child's care and expenses. Naming a guardian in a will can help avoid court decisions later. If a parent dies without naming a guardian, the court appoints one, which may lead to disputes among family members. Including guardianship and inheritance instructions in a will or trust can protect the child's interests and reduce family conflict. In summary, legal guardianship plays a role in managing and protecting a minor's inheritance but does not change who has the right to inherit. Inheritance rights depend on legal family status and estate planning documents, while guardianship ensures the minor's interests are looked after until they can manage their own affairs.